Mongabong?
It's Mongabong actually, but it's okay.
I'm sorry, I cannot talk English. One more time.
Are you ready for the heat?
Fine.
Don't hurt yourself.
Okay. Hello, Mongabong. I'm Aunty M. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Auntie. It's Mongabong actually, but it's okay. Close enough.
Okay lah, yeah, same. You all influencers, sometimes your names sound like bubble tea flavors. Anyway, I want to tell you something. I'm here because I'm launching a sambal brand, and I
Okay.
want to look less like I work at a wet market and more like I can host a beauty live stream like you. Do you think you can help me with that?
Okay, let's get you dolled up first and then we can chat more.
Okay. So, Mongabong, tell me, why YouTube? Nowadays, there are so many apps, and people just scroll and skip and scroll and skip. Why do you still stay here?
Because YouTube feels like home. You know, my audience, they grew up with me, they've seen my journey, I've seen theirs, and it feels like a real relationship, you know? And whenever I recommend something, it's not like, buy here, click now. I'm actually sharing with them why I love it, and it's actually more truthful that way. They trust me.
It's like when I tell people about my sambal, I feel like they don't just eat, they believe. One time, my neighbor ate it and she cried, but she said it was worth it.
Wow. Yeah, and with YouTube shopping, I feel like it's really leveled up. I can now showcase the product, show it in action, help people to buy it without actually jumping platforms. And I plan my content around what feels real. Brands I work with, they know. If it's not me, it won't land.
I see. So it's like feel first, buy later. It's like emotional commerce.
Exactly, Auntie.
Whoa, look at this face. Full on glam mode. Later the uncles who buy my sambal also ask me for my number, then you know. Okay, collab confirmed. You're the glow, I'm the go. Thank you so much. I'm now going to look for some marketers to approve my thoughts. See you.